Next time you hear grown folks talking, shut the fuck up, dear. Fuck ass motherfucker. Now we can settle this like you got some clans, or we can get into some gangster shit.
Cannon. Step back.
Philly freezer, got the squeeze, I got the 9mm to make the people.
Step back.
I'm Star Spangled, the hood, pay me your allegiance. I supply them with the meters, bump that. While you pump crack, I'm back on it. Peep my rap performance, stomping on the hardest streets. I put your back up on it. Trapping on the artist beach, I'm making stacks regardless. I'm only go with more G's than the platinum artist rapping garbage. Y'all rapping tallest, y'all full of shit. 40 with the extended clip, turn y'all to rabbit targets. Y'all react to fool, react to smartest. Y'all flogging, we mobbing, we riding on your mom and all that. Get your dad and all that, get your Latin all that. It's your hat and I'm Bin Laden, hit your stash and all that. Hit your building so fast, plane crash and all that. Get a bitch and get the ass and I don't have to call back. You can only dial out from the whip and only dial out from the crib. I don't have a call back. I suggest you fall back and get your fucking skull cracked. It's official,
yeah,
on the mission. Come here.
Young Wayne, let me take up and view the game and go straight and never take up. I'm so ahead of these niggas, it's like they are. And I left with my gun, but my bullets, he kept that. Yep, you know it's the lyrical death trap. I will make your best act. Bet that jet black Maserati colder than a dead body. M.O.B. A bitch couldn't get lemonade out in the desert. You're not worth the effort as a Hefner. You do like you, who not me, never, ever, never have I ever met the devil, but spit like I got a feather. I'm in fever, fuck whatever, it's whatever. I got several black loaded pieces of metal, when I swear it only tell niggas the opposite of hello, but you're yellow, you're coward hearted. Better get some water, get the gasoline can open, get this fucking fire started. Fireman get all mystical on them. Fireman walk around the heat visible on them. Apple and Eagle Street, nigga, this is the corner. You kiss your girl on the cheek, I had my genitals on them. Championship team defeating any opponent. You see us pumping our fists, so Arsenio on them. And tonight, I'm a ball and just live in the moment and pray I get to do the shit again in the morning.
Big small world on the track, motherfuckers. The gather make a Cupid shuffle last rapper. Like a jump shot when the pump's hot. Cause my gun got the same thing that the sun got. And you niggas in them baggy pants trying to win the race on me, but you are too many. Like our black kids, cause I'm a threat. Like what terrorists schedule to do. You are in fact doodoo. You are the smell of spoil you who. I'm born brutal, barbaric in a Viking way. I make you seem washed up like a tidal wave. I'm really just heating up like a microwave. So don't make me peel your cap back like a Bible page. You niggas so lame, go somewhere and join a gang. You little boys still waiting for your voice to change. If you looking for a leader, I am here. I will teach you like bleach, niggas, I'll make it appear clear. In Carolina, I'm the king, you can ask about me. I eat a nigga lunch basket like a picnic outing. When I wear the nigga up, he won't need a towel. A down comforter won't even try to bleeding out him. Look, I try to tell him that he couldn't fuck with me, so I spit a 16 that can eat his album. And I'm about my gingerbread. When world premiere drop, y'all rappers gonna be sour like lemon heads. Rockefeller, make a nigga. Young Money, Cash Money, make a nigga. DTP, Def Jam, make a nigga. The affiliates back at it, tell the fans I said that, motherfuckers.